no gold is not enough. I know I'd go back to you.
Hello loves, and welcome back to the Aislingrose channel. So today we are doing a very fun look, and it's because this is Pride Month. It's the month of June, it's Pride, and we're all celebrating. And before this video starts, I do want to say that I am straight. However, I do think that everyone deserves love, so if you are celebrating this month, then congratulations. I'm very happy for you, and I hope that you enjoy this makeup tutorial as much as I did creating it, because I don't create a lot of colorful looks like this, and it's really fun. So I hope that you enjoy this, and if you do recreate it, please let me know by following my social medias and sending me a photo. I would love to see it, and your beautiful face as well. So let's get on with the video.